So in traditional composting, you usually have to wait for temperatures to rise because that's just like nitrogen starts to break down and temperatures get really high in traditional composting because of the worms, because of the aeration and just the way that they cultivate the soil. The temperatures stay relatively low, and so that allows for more bacteria to stay alive in it because they don't really like high temperatures, which again allows for the process to be faster. Basically all you need is healthy worms and food to give them, and what we're using for the food is Lottie waste because Lottie produces about 200 pounds a week of food waste, which is a lot, and the college has to pay for that to get rid of it. So what we're trying to do is we're trying to see if we can use worms to eat that waste.
Aquaponics is a type of hydroponics, which is growing plants without soil or any sort of growing medium. But aquaponics is unique in that instead of using a nutrient tank that is full of the different nutrients and vitamins that the plants need, we use a fish tank, which has, our fish tank has tilapia in it, and the fish provide ammonia into the system, which is converted to nitrites and nitrates, which are kind of the building blocks for plants. This is a 320-gallon tank that holds the fish. We can hold about 150 fish in there healthily. And then these grow beds are also made out of IBC totes as well. The design was pretty simple. It originally started with an ebb flow grow system, which is, these beds were full of gravel, and the plants were planted in that, and then they were flooded and drained of the nutrient water. But this system here that we built, when we brought it here, we decided to put the grow beds on the floor and just let the plants sit on rafts. So they're actually sitting on these rafts floated in water, and the roots just kind of hang in the nutrient solution.
What we hope to do is be able to ramp this up to the extent that once we can prove the concept that we can do it here at Messiah with food that we can produce and don't have to purchase, then we can ramp this up where we can do tomatoes year-round and fish year-round, and possibly other crops like broccoli and cauliflower indoors, where we would be able to supply a large percentage of that need.